What's going on here?
Are you looking forward to camping?
Yes.
What time is it?
Yes, I'm gonna come up.
Go away, Marge. Sharon smushed in the back.
That was a great trip.
She's total Smushville.
Well, they've been giving Cambridge a New York drive.
Campstock 2011. Justin setting up the tent. Sharon setting up her tent. I am enjoying one of my last smokes in the libation. Sharon's tent just blew into the... Why didn't you nail it down, you idiot?
Because I wasn't done yet.
You big dummy. We've been here for like almost 2 hours, I'd say, and these assholes are still trying to figure out the tent. We finally got fire started. And there's that rainfly.
Fucking rainfly is
It's working! You know, I fucking set that shit up straight!
There's already animals making noises.
Holla at your boy.
And our tent.
He's gangster.
And there's a stump. And I'll show you the cool beer thing later. Yeah, man.
Let's do it! We're gonna adventure.
Let's do it.
Oh wow, that's really cool. Check that out.
Ankle breaking material. Yeah, it definitely is ankle breaking.
Look
Whoa!
at it. See it? You see what I'm talking about?
the ladder?
No, the fucking rocks.
Oh, look at that ladder. I want to climb that
That's
thing.
what I'm saying. Look at the ladder fucking right there.
Yeah, go climb that. Let me see how that works out for you.
Alright.
How about you check it out?
Yeah, okay.
Awesome rock.
We're gonna do it. Totally.
Dude, this moss is amazing over here.
I know, it's so fluffy.
Pretty cool. Here's a question.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh well, look. What are these called? These
Oh,
are,
did you hear them? They kind of shut up.
yo,
Fiddleheads.
fennel heads.
Fiddleheads. Oh my god.
You can eat them.
Hold on. You guys want
These are the aliens that were in Pocky's
shit I'm talking
fucking...
about. Watch your feet.
These were in Pocky's fucking
Look,
bouquet.
this is shit I talk about.
The
Why is that there?
aliens. I
For what
hate
reason?
these
Why is there a
things.
rock there? You know why?
Drinking. What are you doing? Can't see you.
I put a twig. Honey, do you want to research it? Go ahead.
So something in there. You're gonna make me dive in? Sharon, there's something in there. Do I go in?
There's nothing in there. Yeah, you go in. You're just gonna be like, oh, well, no, my hand's all wet.
Oh no! There was something in there.
Yeah, way to be paranoid and hammered. Is this thing videotaping right now?
Yeah, I am, cause I don't. Ew. Oh my god, this is so gnarly.
She's so dumb.
I think, you know what I think I did? I think I sucked in my camera thing.
The Capricorn fell into the beer, and then that's what bugged you out.
Oh no.
Revelations. Now how's that whole wet, cold, beery hand feeling right there?
It's feeling kind of sad.
Do we need to go for a walk to the bathroom?
You need to pee.
Do you need to wipe your hands?
I'll wash it later. I'm not so much concerned with the hand as I am the fucking beer that I just shoved my hand into.
Why, it's Bud Light Lime. Are you afraid your hand, the skin's gonna
What's gonna taste more like palm olive?
Why would you be...
Dude, all I knew was, alright, if I sip this, like I'm going to right now, and it tastes like an alien, or there's like a little alien hand in it again.
That's because your body is rejecting it because it's not meant to be drank.
Shut up, it's delicious.
This is your body's way of being like, no.
Take it down a notch.
What'd we do?
Nothing. Just don't be too loud.
Why are you policing?
Yeah, good. Do what the fuck you want.
Yeah, fuck that. What the fuck? We paid $29.99 to sit in this fucking dirt lot.
We're actually sitting up here, which is like the furthest away from any site.
Sharon, come sit on this side for 2 minutes.
Alright, you sit on my side.
No, I was kidding. Justin, please don't get all serious.
Come on, switch.
No, I don't want. No, sit your ass down. I'm not moving right now.
No, you'll see that side's great. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Good morning.
The short has open.
Your nose is dirty.
You know, it's like, we were keeping this book, and we had to come out, a lot of you guys.
Shasha's still sleeping. I am royally hungover. We dropped this thing like 90 times last night. I think I'm still drunk.
Download for like iTunes. If you buy the book, you'll be able to get the.
I think it is. Station right there.
Oh, really? Yeah, he's like it was evidently ended up being like that.
I'm taking video.
Then I'll just keep posing.
Look how cute it is. It's so cute here.
I had like a tri-helmet on.
Hi, girls. I'm making videos. Hello.
Hello.
Is she sleeping? No, she's NFL picking.
I'm texting drunk Michael because he probably is not watching the draft.
Oh, you're filling him in? Yes, indeedy.
I was like, I'm not putting you on hold until you're like really wasted. He's like, I want to say hi. I'm like, okay.
I want to say hi! I've heard this song since like high school. Oh my god.
You got caught.
I hate you.
Justin, can you throw that again, please?
Yeah.
Go ahead, throw it.
Like, stay in the tent.
I'm not
I know you're not retarded.
You're such a homo. Here, wait, let me throw it.
I don't even know how to throw this. Just whack it?
Can I throw?
No,
Yeah.
no, let's not. What do I do? Just throw it. Like, just spin it?
Yeah, like fucking flip it. Just don't kill your girlfriend.
Just wing it at the tree. If it falls, it hits it. There you go.
I would have died if she made that thing stick.
Hit it again. It'll hit it'll stick. Keep trying.
Oh! Face! Fucking face! Face! Look at that!
Well deserved. Well deserved. Shit. Look at that.
Good job. Now let's.
They kept looking. I'm like, why is this guy looking at me like?
Oh, because they probably think that you're
They
with the
think I'm
group.
Yeah, they think we're with the group. Yeah, that makes sense because I saw people coming in here.
Totally makes sense.
They like approach their way into the camp, and I was like, "What the fuck are these people doing?" And then they turned around and left.
Yeah, those cats. The cats came and say hello. It makes total sense now.
Yeah.
It makes total sense.
They think we're part of the
They
group.
all just kind of start talking.
What's it
like
called?
They assume
Meetup.com.
Oh.
Well, we're like in the midst of. We're like, really? Well, if we do that, then.
Come closer, Sharon, with your Dumbledore sticks.
There's not really that good of ground over here. We're like, fall.
That'll make it even funnier.
All right, this is your world debut.
Video will be
Look at her
better.
go. Yes.
Yeah, hippie sticks. Whoa!
Nice.
Nice.
It would.
Face. All right, so we're all
Cheating.
packed up
Like
now.
Velcro.
So we had fun. Do you have fun?
Nah, you know, it was alright.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
I had fun.
Where's the drinking game? I want it again. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay.
Yeah, is there an app you can just download that and just
I
hit
just
it
want that
randomly?
sound.
That
Yeah,
music.
put it on random throughout the day. Goodbye, beers.
Oh.
You thought we were done, but we're not. We're saying goodbye with goodbye beers.
Bye, beers.
Goodbye, beers. Goodbye, beers.
Oh, we were videotaping?
videoing?
Of course.
We're like posing for a photo. It's so funny.
Cheesy face.
Cheesy face. And hold on, I'm gonna close out the video with one thing. Here, film that.
What are you doing, like a professional?
Hello. No.
Real world.
I'm just gonna say, for the last time, damn nature, you scary. Very good.
Nice.
Fucking Bunky was there.